All right, let's fix it. That first thing you want to do is get the air out of this. We're going to take the valve core out. We're going to use this tool. It's like a multi-tool. We're also going to use that to remove the valve stem because I don't have a valve stem puller. We're going to use this end, take the valve core out, let the tire drain, and we're going to lose the valve cap. But that's alright, the new sensor stem comes with him. Alright, once you got all the air out of the tire, the valve core is still removed. I'm going to position the tire under the truck because we're going to use the truck to just break the upper bead of the tire. We don't need to break the bottom bead, just the upper. So we're going to use this block of wood, get it in on this rim, and break it down. These are newer tires, so it should break fairly easy. They were just on there. They did one sensor. It cost me $125 to have that replaced. I said, nah, I think I could do it better. So we're doing it better. Let's break the bead. Just gonna lower the jack down so the rotor hits that block of wood. That hits the wood. Now you don't want to get it on the rim here. You want that past the rim, so don't obviously break the rim. Lower this down. A little more, let's see. Oh, no, that's not good. Just gotta keep fiddling with it. Move it out of position, there you go. It's getting there. Almost broke. Keep that block of wood tight against the rim there. Okay. Bead is broke. Let's jack it back up. There you go. You got a broken bead. Perfect. All we need is the upper bead. We don't need the lower bead. So now let's get the stem out. Take some pieces of wood. Get some access down in there. Put one there. Put one here. You're gonna take your tire sensor off, and then we're gonna pull the valve stem out. So, stick a rag down in here so nothing falls into the tire. This is a 10mm Torx. And it's not real tight. Seems like a lot of work to be doing this. Just paid $125, but if you add it up, it's like $400 some odd to change out these stems. And I kind of like doing things myself, so that's why we put the rag in there, in case the bolt drops into the tire. Here's your sensor. This is on my 2018 Chevy Silverado. Put that to the side. Get this out of here with the screw in it so that don't roll around the tire. Now we're just going to spray this up with a little bit of soapy water to help pull that out. We're going to take this tool we used before to take the valve core out. We're going to use this side. We're going to screw this on here. Like I said, I don't have a valve stem remover, so we're going to use this tool. Got a nice long pair of needle nose. Piece of board in there, use a little pry bar, and out she comes. There's your valve stem. Clean up this hole a little bit. Now we'll get the new sensor. Alright, we're going to use the Easy sensor from Trader. There's your part number. PN 33500. Put that out. There's your sensor. There's directions. That's there. So this needs to be activated before we install that. So, put that over there. We got our TPMS activator, programmer, whatever you call this thing. Put that on. Warm it up, take the valve cap off. We're going to, no, check sensor. Service, we're going to program sensor. We're going to go to a sensor. We're going to look for the Easy Sensor by Schrader, which is this. It's a Chevrolet Silverado. She is a 2018. Create a new sensor. Press OK. Well, you can create one. You can copy one. Copy a set of sensors. Put your manual ID in there if you like on this. We're just going to create a new sensor. So we can't get the information out of the old sensor because the battery's dead. So I'll put that here, like it says. We'll hit this green button. Okay. That sensor is ready to go. But it still has to be programmed to the vehicle. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, back at the wheel. We're gonna put a little soapy water on the hole, spray up the valve stem, put the valve stem in. I'm gonna use this multi-purpose tool for tires. I'm gonna screw that on, and I'll leave a link in the description of the tools I used today to do this. A block of wood again. No, I don't even need it. Let's just try it without it. I'm gonna pull that valve stem right in. That's it. She's in. Take this off. Actually, let's leave it on so we can line up the screw. Put our towel back in there so we do not drop the screw into the tire. That would be a bad thing. Now we're going to get the sensor on the tire. Like so. Make sure it's nice and straight in there. Put the screw in there. And start it by hand. That's going up in there. There you go. Tighten it up. You don't have to kill it. It's only brass and a little screw. So that's it. It's in there. It's straight. It's even with the rim. It's programmed, activated. It's not programmed. It's activated. So let's blow up our tire. Take these blocks out. Take your rag out. Alright, we're going to take the valve core out. This way it gets more air into the tire. There's your valve core. Now we're going to take these blocks, stick them into the tire a little bit to give it a little more oomph to seal the bead. That one there. Right up some more soapy water. It's a great seal. Help seal the tire. That'll help it seat the bead easier. Might not get another bottle here. Right. Put the air compressor on it. Let's go. That's one. Loud snap. that's in. The bead's all reseated. Take the valve core. Put the valve core back in. Inflate your tire. Whatever inflation pressure you like. Alright, let's relearn the sensor. Teach the truck guy's got a new sensor. As you can see, it's still out. The tire. I'm going to put to service TPMS. We're going to select OK. Select 18 Silverado. 2018. There you go. We're going to do a manual relearn, base level, and OK. And now we're going to put the truck into learn mode, which you just hold down the check mark on the tire. It says now tire active learning. Let's go out. I'll start with the driver's front. Hope you guys can see that. Start with the driver's side front. I'll give you an audible of the truck. Also tells you that the tire's at 37, it's 315 megahertz, the tire is 75 degrees, and the battery is okay. So we click OK. Move on to the passenger side front. That one's good. Click OK. This is the new one we just installed. Another beep. Now it should give you on the last tire a beep and then a double beep to tell you that they're all been programmed. Driver's side rear. And there you go, the double beep. Let's go check it out. Alright, there you go. All the sensors are reading and the light is out. Now I use my launch scan tool because I had to buy a new sensor and I had to activate it. However, if you don't have to activate your tires and you just rotated them and you just need to relearn the positions, you can pick one of these up off Amazon. Super cheap, very easy to use. And this one is a 2-in-1. It does Ford and General Motors. Alright, that's it. That completes another adventure. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Want to see some more content like this? Consider subscribing. Drop me a comment below. If you have any comments or questions for me, I'll leave a link to all the tools and parts I used to make this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.